Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
Under construction flyover collapses in Mumbai's Bandra. Kurla complex 13 injured. 30 laborers were injured when the portion of an under construction flyover collapsed in Mumbai Bandra Kurla complex area on Friday. The under construction flyover connecting BKC Main Road and Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road collapsed around 4:30 a.m. Police and the fire department officials rushed to the spot immediately. The wounded daily wagers were shifted to BN Desai Hospital for treatment. There was no life loss and no person is missing, DCP Zone 8 Manjunath Sinjay told ANI. Investigation as know how the accident occurred in underway. Investigation as to how the accident occurred in underway. Why Tajikistan holds the key to future resistance against Taliban. Panjshir was the last Afghan bastion to fall to the Taliban. However, the resistance forces still maintain that this is not case. The impressive resistance fought by Panjshir and the fighters is not something that has come about in recent times. Panjshir and more importantly the Tajikis have always wanted to hold on to their own in Afghanistan. Despite being a minority, the Tajiks have always had a larger part to play across crucial events marking the history of Afghanistan. Post 9/11, Afghanistan saw its Tajiks come to the fore of governance and economy after the Pashtun-driven Taliban was ousted. Since then, Tajikis have played an integral in Afghanistan Renaissance. Now, with the new Taliban government only allocating 2 out of 33 ministerial posts of the Tajikis, the fear is that their fortunes will once again be sidelined. What the Tajikistan government, however, did was show some fire during the 20th anniversary of the assassination of Ahmad Sad Masood, bestowing upon him the Order of the Ismaili Somoni, Tajikistan highest honor. The same was also awarded to former Afghan President Burhanuddin Rawani. This too played a massive role in helping and devastating civil war in Tajikistan during the 1990s. At the end of the day, Dushanbe is a small but vital cog in Central Asian diplomacy, more so now, owing to its long border with Afghanistan. Russia is not insurmountable with respect to its relations with Tajikistan, and it too will know that it cannot take Tajikistan for granted owing to certain interests in the region. US on the other hand will try to eke out any little possibility of the opening under another base next to Afghanistan, as the Pakistan army and government have not been the best of the friends of late. So, it is not surprising to think that Tajikistan holds the key to any future resistance against the Taliban. ICMR studies show significant drop in COVID antibodies within 4 months after vaccination. A study on 614 fully vaccinated health workers at ICMR's Regional Medical Research Center in Bhubaneswar showed a significant drop in COVID antibodies within 4 months after complete vaccination. In this study, which was done when India witnessed a deadly Delta variant surge, 308 participants were given 2 doses of the Covishield vaccine and 306 were given 2 doses of the Covaxin. Out of this 614 healthcare workers, 81 people got infected with COVID-19 for the first time. Among the 257 participants with a previous history of COVID-19, 33 were infected even after being inoculated with both doses of the COVID vaccine. However, warning antibodies does not mean that one is not protected at all. This does not mean that the person is fully protected. T cells and B cells are also factors that help is creating a memory to fight the virus. Dr. Sanghamitra Pati, a co-author of the ICMR study, said. A follow-up of this study will be done for a year. These were healthcare workers and more planned. Indian studies are needed for further conclusion, Dr. Sanghamitra Patil added. In the UK, protection reduced by 10% within 4 to 5 months after taking the AstraZeneca vaccine. Moderna vaccine also showed warning of immunity. The findings of the ICMR study are small but crucial, could help health experts in India decide whether to provide booster doses.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.